everyone, welcome to Social Study class 2nd. Okay, today we are going to study chapter number 5. Okay, Social Study class 2nd, chapter number 5. Today's topic is shelter. Shelter, SHELTER, shelter. So what is meant by shelter? Do you know? Anyone? Shelter is the place which we will live. Shelter is the place which we will live. Okay? So why we live in one place? Why we did not move one place to another? I'll explain you, okay, about shelter, okay. So let's move towards contents, okay. So today's contents are shelter, different parts of house, different types of house, a bungalow, a tent, houseboat, stilt houses, caravan, igloos, and how to keep our home clean. These all are today's contents. Okay? So, I request you to all please take out textbook, copies, pencils all and note down the important notes, meanings and homework also. Okay? So, let's move towards subtopic. So first subtopic is shelter. I already told you, a shelter is a place where we live and keep safe. We live. Where we live? We live in our home to keep safe. Our house is our shelter. Okay? So our house is our shelter. A shelter is a place. Not only our animals also has their shelter. A shelter is a place where we live and keep safe. Okay. It keeps us safe from rain, heat, cold, insect and wild animals. Shelter keep us safe from rain, heat, cold, insect. You know insect? Small insect. And wild animals. Wild, you know, domestic animals, wild animals. Wild means these are tiger, lion, elephant. These all are wild animals. Okay. So insect, you know insect? Insect. Small insects, butterflies, all. Okay. And heat, cold, rain. So a shelter is a small building or covered place which is made to protect people from bad weather or danger. Understood? A shelter is a small building or a covered place. Look at the picture. Here is a big house. Our house is our shelter. A shelter is a small building or covered place which is made to protect people, a shelter, a house is made to protect people, to protect us from bad weather, like I already told you, rain, heat, cold and danger. Okay? Danger. Any. So, this is all about shelter. Understood? I repeat once. A shelter is a place where we live and keep safe. A shelter is a place where we live and keep safe. Our house is our shelter. Our house is our shelter to keep us safe from rain, heat, cold, insects and wild animals. Okay? A shelter is a small building or covered place which is made to protect people from the bad weather or danger. Our house protects us from heat, cold, rain, all bad weather. If we don't have house, then where we go in winter season? We feel too much cold. In summer season, at the rainy season. So we have shelter, we have house. House protect from bad weather or danger. Okay, understood? This is all about shelter. Okay. So our another topic is different part of house. Different part of house. We know very well. Okay. Look at the picture. Roof. We have roof. Window. House. Understood what is in a roof? Here is roof, which is marked by black. Okay. Window, balcony. You know na balcony or door. Door, main door. We enter the house from door. Okay. Window, letterbox, path. Letterbox, it is we did not form common every individual's letterbox in our house, but it is necessary. Okay. And car, garage, house, this is a common. Okay. These all are parts of house. Okay, understood? So listen carefully. There are different rooms in a house. There are different rooms. You know the rooms? There is a living room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom and garden in a house. We have dining room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. Okay, living room. Living room. In living room we sit and talk with our guest. And in dining room we sit and take food. Bedroom we take rest, we sleep. Kitchen is the place where we cook a food. Our mother cook a food in a kitchen. And bathroom, we bath, we clean ourselves in a bathroom. And a garden in a house. Garden, we have garden in our house. Okay, a house also has window, doors and a roof on the top. I already told you. What is this? These all are parts of a house. Okay, we stay in a house. These all are parts and these all are rooms. Dining room, living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. Okay, these all are room. And the parts, window, doors, roof on the top, garage, house, car, balcony, window, door, these all are parts. Okay. So hope you understand about part of a house. Okay. So another topic is different types of houses. Look at the picture. What is this? Here is a building. Okay. So our topic is different type of houses. There are different type of houses. We see on a picture here is building. It's a big building, long. Like buildings, there are different type of houses like building, bungalow, tent, igloos, houseboats, caravan, etc. These all are houses. The purpose of building is to shelter. I already told you, building is a type of a house. The purpose of a house is to shelter. Okay, there are many apartments in a building. There are many apartments. It's too long now. Buildings can shelter peoples or animals or machinery or anything. Okay? It's too big building. So it's shelter for not only people, it's for animal also or for machinery or anything. Okay? So listen carefully. There are different type of houses like building, bungalow, tents, igloos, houseboats, caravans, etc. The purpose of a building is to shelter. I already told you, shelter is the place which we will live. Okay? The purpose of a building is to shelter. Okay? There are many apartments in a building. Yes? Just like there are many parts in a house. Like that. Okay? So buildings can shelter people or animals or machinery or anything. Okay? So this is about building. Okay? So another topic is a bungalow. B-U-N-G-A-L-O-W, bungalow. So what is in a bungalow? You heard before the word bungalow. Why not? We have many bungalow in our state Rajasthan. A bungalow is a big house with a lawn. Okay. Bungalow is a big house. Okay. Look at the picture. Here is a bungalow. A bungalow is a one-story house, cottage or cabin. Bungalow is a one-story house. Okay. Cottage. It's type of cottage. It's type of cottage or cabin. Okay. We didn't see many rooms in a bungalow. Okay. Bungalow is type of cottage. Okay. Story house means we have story with every bungalow. Okay. So this is about bungalow. Bungalow is a shelter. It's a type of houses. Not much more thing than that. Okay. It's a house. It's type of house. Okay. Like building. Bungalow is also a shelter. It's type of house. Okay. So listen carefully. Our another topic is a tent. T-E-N-T, tent. Look at the picture. Here is the image of tent. Okay. Which is in white color because it is made by cloth. It's made by cloth. Okay. Listen carefully. A tent. A tent house is a shelter made of some sort of fabric. Just think that tent is a type of house. It's a shelter. It's made of a cloth. It's made of a fabric. Okay. It is known among nomads as portable homes. It is not a permanent homes. Nomads. Usually nomads used to make tents because they move from one place to another. Because of that, they use tent for only 1 day, 2 days, 3 days or within weekend only. Okay. So tents are also often used in emergencies such as war, earthquake and fire. Tents are often used in emergencies such as emergency such as war. The soldier of the India They stay in a tent in a forest. Earthquake and fire. Okay, earthquake, you know earthquake. Fire. So don't think much more. Listen, a tent is a type of house. It's a shelter. It's made of a fabric. It's made of a cloth. Mostly we are used in emergencies such as war, earthquake and fire. So it is known among nomads and portable homes. It is not permanent house, it is a temporary for within 1 week or 1-2 days only. Okay? This is about tents. Okay, understood? It's a type of house. Okay? Another one is houseboats. H-O-U-S-E, house, B-O-A-T-S, boats. You know na boats? So listen carefully. A houseboat is a small boat on a river or canal which people live in. Isn't it? People can live in houseboat. Yes. A houseboat is a small boat. Not a small, it's small like a, it's small than a building and all the big bungalows. Listen carefully, a houseboat is a small boat on a river, okay, or canal which people live in. People live in houseboat. Houseboat float on water. Float on water. Houseboat can move from one place to another. Houseboat can move from one place to another. Means houseboat. It is in river, that's why. Move from one place to another. Listen carefully. Houseboat is also a types of house. It's type of house which is on river or canal, which is move from one place to another. Houseboat float on a water. Mostly we found river, canal. Okay, so this is about houseboat. Don't think much more. It's only a type of house. Okay, so here is an image of houseboat. You can easily understood by image also. Okay, so listen carefully. Another one is stilt houses. Stilt houses. Look at the picture. Here is a house in up. Stilt house. It is a stilt house. Okay, I'll explain you. Stilt houses are houses raised on stilts over the surface of the soil or a body of water. Stilt, you know what is a stilt? Stilt. Here is, look at the picture, here is in white color, long like rope. It's a stilt, okay. Stilt house are raised on a stilt over the surface of the soil. Over the surface of the soil or a body of water. Stilt houses are built primarily as a protection against flooding. Why stilt houses are built? As for protection against flooding. You know flood. We find stilt houses in places where it rains a lot. We found stilt house in places where it rains a lot. Understood? The place where more rainfall occur, we found still house there. Okay, the still prevent the water from entering the house. Still, it's look at the below this house we see only stilt. It prevents the water from the entering the house. Because of the stilt, the water cannot enter the house. Don't think much more. It is a type of houses. It's type of houses, stilt houses. Look at the picture. Stilt houses look like this. Okay. So another one is a caravan. Caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Caravan. Look at the picture. Here is a van, big van. So what is caravan? A caravan is a house on wheels. Isn't it? Have you seen? A caravan is a houses. It's type of house. Caravans is also a type of house. Okay, it's type of house on wheel. Look at the picture. Here is a wheel on a van. Some people spend their holidays living in a caravans. Yes, some people spend their holidays living in a caravans. Caravans move from one place to another. It's type of house. Inside this house, inside this van, there is a house. There is like a living room, bedroom inside this van. We found. Okay. So it's type of house which is moved from one place to another by wheels. Understood? Caravan is a house on houses on wheels. Some people spend their holidays living in a caravan. It moves from one place to another. You can also spend holiday by living in a caravan, but it's little difficult because it's too small now. That's why. Okay. So this is all about caravan. Okay. So listen carefully. Our another topic is igloos. Igloos. You know igloos? I-G-L-O-O-S. Igloos. We found igloos in a northern part. Have you seen? I know igloo. We found in a mountain area in northern part. An igloo is a type of hut built from snow. It's type of hut. We are studying about type of houses. Okay, shelter. So igloo is a type of hut built from snow mainly by Inuit. Inuit means it's a member of the indigenous people of northern Canada. Northern Canada. There is a much more snowfall is there. That's why they are used to stay in a igloo. Okay. So some igloos are built for temporary shelter while others are permanent warm housing in very cold climates. Some igloos are built for temporary for within 1-2 days or for weeks, for months, but while other are permanent. Permanent also warm housing in very cold climates. Inside igloo it's too warm. Okay. We find igloos in the countries that are extremely cold. Where they are extremely cold, where there is much more snowfall is there, we found igloos. Okay. Don't think much more like this. Igloo is type of house. It's type of house. We found igloo in the country that are extremely cold, which is made of a snow. Okay. Mainly we found in northern Canada. Okay. So some igloo are built for temporary shelter while others are permanent. It's easy, some are permanent and some are temporary, means some are permanent means they live their whole life, but temporary they live there within week, within months. Okay. Warm housing in a very cool climate. Igloos, inside igloos we find warm in a cold climate. Okay, this is about igloos. Igloos is type of house. Okay. Our another topic is how to keep our house clean. We already studied about shelter, parts of a house and types of a house. So how to keep our house clean? Listen carefully. We must keep our house clean and fresh. We must keep our house clean and fresh. It is our duty because it is our house. We should keep everything we should keep everything back in its proper place after use. We keep our school bag in a proper place. Did not keep your school bag in a sofa set and other place. Did not keep your school bag, do not keep your school shoes on a kitchen. Right. Kept in a right place. Kept in a shoe stand. Keep your school shoe in a shoe stand. Okay? You should keep everything back in its proper place after use. Okay? We should dust and furniture daily. We should dust and furniture daily. Okay? We should throw out the garbage daily. We should throw out means throw out the home, outside the home. The garbage means the waste material from kitchen or from other rooms. We should dust and furniture daily. Okay, we should mop room daily. We should sweep room daily. We should mop the floor daily. We should keep the bathroom and wash basin clean. It's the main. This is the main. We should keep the washroom and wash basin clean, because washroom is the place we were clean. We should keep the place we were clean. Okay, we should keep the area around the house clean. We should keep also our surrounding clean, because it is our area, because it is our duty to clean our surrounding. Okay, so how to keep our house clean, understand? I'll explain it again. We must keep our house clean and fresh. It is our duty. We should keep everything back in its proper place after use. We should dust the furniture daily. We should throw out the garbage daily. Okay? We should throw the paper wrappers in a dustbin, and these dustbins we should throw outside the surroundings. We should keep our surrounding neat and clean. We should keep our garden also clean. Okay, we should keep the bathroom and wash bins clean. So because of that, we should keep our house neat and clean. So understood? These all are rules how to keep our house clean. If you want to keep your house clean, if you want to keep your house clean and fresh, then you should follow these rules and regulations daily. Okay? So this is about how to clean our house clean. So another one is activity. This is your homework. This is your homework. Okay, write down. Answer the following questions. Write down, this is your homework. Okay. Question number 1. Write 2 ways to keep the house clean. Just before I told you, Write 2 ways to keep the house clean. 2 ways, only 2 to keep the house clean. I already told you the rules and regulations. What is the use of door in a house? Uses of door. Door is a part of house, so what is the uses of door? What is a caravan? Caravan. What is a caravan? It's a house, no? So write down, write your own answer. What is a houseboat? It's also a house. It's also a type of house. So what type of house? Write your own answer, okay? What is a stilt house? I already told you about this all. What is a stiller? I'll repeat once. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Write 2 ways to keep the house clean. What is the use of door in a house? What is caravan? What is houseboat? And last one is, what is stilt houses? Okay, this is your homework. So now we finished our today's class. Chapter number 5 we finished. So see you on next class. Okay.